guys, sorry I'm doing another video again. I thought why not, and it's such a nice day. So hot right now as well. But yeah, loads of jet skis that I could be going on next week with my brother. So, and also I was being over to excursion people over there and asked how much is it to go on the boat trip to see the dolphins and whales, because they've got dolphins out to sea here. And then there's the space for Monday for my birthday, so maybe Monday I might go out on the boat and go see some dolphins, and you can swim with them as well, so I'll be bringing my GoPro for that. But yeah guys, have to take the top off because it's so hot. Hot because there's no wind. It's like 25 degrees right now, got no wind. There's some live music playing at the moment. Things are slowly getting back to normal here guys. I've been here now for 3 months now nearly, and I'll say now it has got more busier since I arrived here on the 26th of September. I've been here, so it has got a lot more busier. More tourists have been coming, what is good.
Yeah, but you don't want to be at that.
Yeah. So then I like too much
Seems like I'm flat today, like I said in my other vlog.
Let me tell you that I love you, that I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me, and I'm going home. And if I should become a stranger, you know that it would break me more than sad. Caledonia, you're the best friend I ever had.
So warm, it's lovely. Perfect day for droning, definite. Cool breeze starting to pick up, not much. This is the first day that there hasn't been no wind for the last past 2-3 weeks. It's been windy non-stop and big waves. Today is the only day that it's calm, no wind, nothing. It's perfect. Flat at the mill pond, perfect. Some scooters there. Little jetty there, where people go fishing. Few fishing there today, so good today for fishing. That's the flat water. They said I don't know what to do today. About to chill, some baby off on the drone, I don't know. We'll go swimming. The sea temperature is still warm at 22 degrees at the moment. Sea temperature is temperature at 25. Cool guys, with my brother here, I won't be doing a lot of vlogs with my brother here that you know about. if I need time with my brother. Right, this is how clear the water is. Okay, see all the fishes. So now, fish swimming, a bit hazy today, like I said, but nothing too much. But yeah, I'm definitely going to go out on that boat trip and see the dolphins. That'd be amazing. Do some bathing. If where I eat, so definitely come here, guys. Great place here. Surfer going out when there are no waves. And the one here going out when there are no waves. Bit silly. Look at that. Flat, perfect. Little breeze, but nothing too much. It's definitely getting busier. Otherwise it is shocking to think that I've been here since the 26th of September. It really is shocking. I never thought I would be here for this long. Like I said, I just began with the flow. I will go back, then I want to go back home to England. But for the time being, there is no reason for me to go back to England. There's nothing there to do. Shitty weather at home anyway, so why point go home when you can be here enjoying this weather. Hot, warm sunshine, blue sea, perfect condition. So yeah, days like this I wish I had brought my paddleboard over. But I tell you now guys, I will be going back home to England for 6 weeks over Christmas period, maybe. After lockdown get lifted. But I'll only be going back for 6 weeks, pick up my inflatable paddleboard, and I'll be coming back out here. So days like this when it's flat, I'll be going out on my paddleboard, and I probably will paddle out to Lobos if I have my paddleboard with me. Another great place to eat, Contante. A good place for full English breakfast there. For €5 before midday. Good there, so I recommend go there guys. So I've been seeing a lot of my subscribers out here. Quite a few today. A lot of people noticed me. It's quite nice. A lot of people said hi and that. So it's nice to see you lot guys. Don't feel scared. If you want a picture with me and that, just ask, I don't mind. And yeah guys, another great place to go. €1 a pint here. Yes, €1 a pint in this place. And that's where I'll be going with my brother. On Saturday and Sunday, and Monday for my birthday. Monday we'll be there. And after that we'll be going to Glow Beach Bar on Sunday as well. So yeah, it's going to be a busy weekend for my birthday. Yet again. Always busy I am. And at my birthday. So yeah. Coming up to the end of the vlog now guys. To the end of the vlog in a minute. So right guys, remember to click that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, click the little notification bell up here, and you'll be notified every time I update new YouTube videos. Catch you all later, stay safe out there, wash your hands, wear your face mask, and keep your distance. Catch you all later, everyone. From me, Stuart Allen of Photography on the Drum Pipe for Fuerteventura in Spain. Catch you all later. Bye for now, guys.